There, today we are going to talk about the cotton plant. Cotton is a soft fluffy fiber that grows in a protective case around the seeds of the cotton plant. The cotton plant is related to the hibiscus. In fact, the flowers show a bit of resemblance. The fiber is most often spun into yarn or thread and used to make a soft breathable textile. The use of cotton for fabric is known to date to prehistoric times. It is usually sown before summer, and the seeds are placed at a distance of 1 foot from each other. Irrigate frequently during its growth. Bees are attracted to the flowers a lot for the pollen. There are a lot of different shaded flowers, which include pink, yellow and white. After the flowers drop, a capsule is formed, which later on will split in 4 parts, each with a cotton ball. The cotton at this time is filled with seeds, so these have to be separated by hand. As a plant, it is highly decorative and has a novelty effect. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.